Okay, using a stencil. This stencil is kind of what I consider almost a background stencil, so you can use it to layer up some textures and patterns behind whatever it is that you're painting on top. You can move it around a couple times and do a couple different colors maybe with it. I've pinned it to the paper, selected my color. I'm going to turn on the spray booth, keep the can moving, and spray it with this one color, and turn the can upside down and do a little press before I'm done. Okay, so now it's got a nice light green sort of tint to it. I could add another color. I've got some of that blue still. I'm going to add like a little blue to one spot of it. So this tip is getting pretty beat up. You can see the little splatter marks on there. Set that aside. And you can take the stencils off pretty much immediately. Note my fingers and how messed up they are. Your fingers are probably going to get the same way. I'm going to go ahead and use my messed up fingers and take that stencil off. And you can see the pattern that has remained underneath it. I can move this stencil over, pin it on again. And either try a different color or spray again in one of the same colors that I just used. I forgot to do the spray booth on. There's a lot of paint left in this can, but the tip is getting pretty shot, so you need to find a replacement tip for that.